Mr. Surjewala, please give Naresh Gujral an opportunity. You see, Mr. Gujral, you asked me this afternoon whether I had rested.
All that I'm saying
1 minute. Mr. Gujral, on a lighter note.
As you want.
No, Mr. Gujral, on a lighter note.
Please do not quote him selectively.
Mr. Gujral, Mr. Surjewala, I'm even forgetting names. You asked me this afternoon when you said you were confirmed coming on the program. You asked me whether I had rested. I have been speaking for 17 hours yesterday. I have no ability to compete with you or stop you when you are in full flow. I give the opportunity and request you to let Mr. Gujral come in, please. Mr. Gujral, why is Rahul Gandhi not talking on prices? Your response.
I think that would be the understatement of the year, Arnab.
1 minute, Mr. Surjewala. Mr. Gujral, yeah.
Arnab, Mr. Rahul Gandhi did speak. And he said, poverty is a state of the mind.
Yes, exactly.
Now, if a leader says that, it only reflects a very poor state of the mind. This country has now very unequivocally given one message. They want a leadership which is full of ideas.
That's right.
Ideas which are out of the box.
Yeah.
Ideas
Honest.
which they can implement with zeal, with passion, with honesty, with commitment.
Yep, absolutely.
This is what the message of this election is.
Oh, yes, it is. Oh, yes, it is.
And one more thing, they've also said bye-bye to the politics of booze, bye-bye to the politics of money, bye-bye to the politics of muscle power, and bye-bye to the politics of paid news.
Who's booze? Who
pays
their way to
that Gujarat has an issue coming from a state which has not paid salary to its employees for 7 months, the state of Punjab, where the world WHO indicators
we managed to win elections. We don't lose elections like you do. We won the re-election. You have lost the election, so you have no mandate to speak.
1 second, you don't get into a bilateral Haryana-Punjab dispute here. 1 minute.
Flows in the state of Punjab.
1 second.
But I'm happy that you realize that.
No. We are discussing Rahul.
And liquor.
You see again.
Politics.
I said today,
Mr. Surjewala, 2014 will show where you stand and where we stand.
I said today that he has 3 diversionary arrows in his quiver. He shot his first diversionary arrow was the Prime Minister. He has just shot the second diversionary arrow, which makes things into a Congress versus state government dispute. The second diversionary arrow has also flopped, Mr. Surjewala. I am asking, why was Rahul Gandhi silent on scams now? Have you heard Rahul Gandhi talk on scams? Not once. Have you heard Mehboob Beg? 2010 to 2011. CWG scam, 2G scam, Devas ISRO scam, Adarsh Kargil for profit scam, Aircel Maxis scam, and God knows how many scams. Dr. Mehboob Beg, did you see the young leader of the Congress party speak even once on scams?
Rahul, what he said yesterday, I think that was very relevant.
No, I'm talking about all these years.
From 4 states have spoken. We have heard them here. We have heard them here, and we will address them. Yes, Congress has been defeated in 4 assembly elections, but that's not the end of the game.
I am not saying end of the game. I am not saying end of the game.
Go into Lok Sabha elections.
I am saying the whole country is talking about inflation and scams. There are 2 issues.
The country will speak. Yes. That's a very important issue. Who says no? Who says no? That's why perhaps that must have been one of the reasons that Congress has been punished. And therefore Congress should look inwards, introspect, and come out with the solutions and go for the Lok Sabha elections in a better mold, in a better frame of mind, by addressing the issues which people have said, which people have spoken.
The question is, Meenakshi Lekhi, I have not seen,
and that's what
I have not seen an elaborate statement from Rahul Gandhi on scams. The eagerness with which he speaks about NREGA subsidy schemes, this food security bill, secular communal politics, etc.
NREGA is not a subsidy scheme. Let me again say it's
did I club it
crores
there?
And crores of man-days of employment for the poor,
your
for
third
the
diversionary arrow
for the
from your quiver.
tribals, in remotest of areas of the country.
Am I talking about that?
It is completely uncharitable. It is also unfair to say that that MG Narega is a charitable
Can I
scheme.
ask-
No,
If it
no,
is a
one second, Meenakshi
charitable
Lekhi.
scheme,
No, I am not.
why
You see,
does
no,
the state
again,
of
you see,
Madhya
again, this will
Pradesh,
not work. You
state
see,
of
this.
Gujarat, state
No, no,
of
my question is,
Chhattisgarh,
Mr.
Uttar Pradesh and Bihar use it to
Surjewala.
ensure that the poor and the downtrodden get crores and crores of man days of
But
employment.
Mr. Surjewala, are
Just
we
to
talking
give you
about
an
that? This is your
idea,
third diversionary
200
arrow from your
Surjewala,
quiver.
can I ask you one question?
Meenakshi Lekhi wants to ask you a question. Meenakshi Lekhi.
Surjewala, I want to ask you one question.
Mr. Surjewala, Meenakshi Lekhi wants to ask you a question.
Mr. Surjewala, I have a question. I have a question for you.
Just 1 second, Meenakshi
I have a
ji.
question.
I just want
Arnab,
to
it's
point
your
out
job
to
to
Arnab
ask
It
questions.
is your
that
job.
if we are going to run down schemes like MG Narega in this fashion on a program, we expect at least Arnab Goswami to appreciate.
But Mr.
Yes, he
Surjewala-
lost an election,
But
that
but-
does not mean
but
that the
Mr.
largest
Mr. Surjewala-
employment scheme of the world.
But Mr.
is a
Surjewala, I
joke.
would
no.
But what are you, Mr. Surjewala? This is your third diversionary arrow from your
Mr.
quiver.
Surjewala, can I
Now,
intervene?
Miss Meenakshi Lekhi wants to
My
say something to you.
statement you
1 second,
continue
Meenakshi
to
Lekhi to
reject
Mr.
as a
Surjewala, who is in full
Mr.
flow tonight.
Surjewala,
Meenakshi
Mr.
Lekhi.
Surjewala, I'll have to be rude enough to butt in, but at the cost of sounding rude, I am going to speak.
All about.
Speak.
That the third or the fourth diversionary
I
tactic
yield,
is not to
Meenakshi.
allow others to speak, and I think I will have to
Meenakshi ji,
speak
I
and
yield to
intervene
you.
because you're not letting me ask a question. My
I
question
thought
is very
only Arnab
simple.
Goswami
That
asked
since
the questions here.
Manrega, only Manrega. No, since we are in a discussion, I have every business to ask
Okay,
questions and raise the relevant point. The point I'm making is that Manrega is much touted, a wonderful scheme by you. I have twofold question. One is the kind of development which has happened by which you have empowered and benefited the states. Kindly give accountability so far as that is concerned. And if it was such a wonderful scheme, why did you reduce the money available for the states under this scheme?
No, but are we discussing that, Meenakshi Lekhi? We are not having a discussion
Ma'am,
on Manrega. No, we are not discussing Manrega.
You see, I am saying, since we
No,
are
you-
discussing
Let Meenakshi Lekhi,
scams,
she's completing her
we are
comment, Mr.
discussing
Surjewala.
scams,
Valid,
and we can go
which
to
is very
scams.
valid, but
Since
permit me-
we are discussing scams,
Ma'am,
and scams
ma'am,
are
since you
from A
raised
to
the
Z.
question,
I mean,
kindly
by
have the
every
patience to hear the
letter,
answer.
you can. Sir, I will hear the answer.
Madam,
but
since
this
you
was
raised the
my
question,
comment
at
on
least-
your
at least
statement.
let us hear the
And
answer.
A to Z is the A
I'm
to
also
Z
going
of
on that
scams.
statement.
With every letter of the
244 crore
alphabet,
days
you
of
have a
man
scam.
days of
What do you have
employment
to say about
generated.
that?
And if
I
it
mean,
was
much-
such a bad
much more
scheme,
money
Meenakshi
has
ji,
been taken
then
out
the
of
state
this
of
country.
Gujarat has
more than what has
generated
been spent in
17
Manrega.
crore man days,
No, 1 minute.
taking advantage of the same MG
One
Narega. The state of Madhya Pradesh generated 80 crore man days of employment
Mr.
across
Surjewala,
Madhya
you don't want
Pradesh
to discuss-
by taking advantage of
Mr.
the same
Surjewala, today's
Manrega
one,
so
yesterday
far.
there was the
And
result.
the state of
What will Mr.
Chhattisgarh
Mr. Surjewala, you are reading the data there. 1 second.
17
You are reading something from your papers out there. Let me interrupt you now before you finish reading that paper. And once, Meenakshi Lekhi, I told you, Mr. Surjewala, I told you, Mr. Surjewala, that I cannot compete with you. But if I need to, I will. Mr. Surjewala, please listen to me now.
Biggest employment generating scheme of this country, which has changed the way people
Surjewala,
look
on
at
the lighter
themselves,
note,
the downtrodden
today
and the
is
scheduled
Mrs.
tribes
Gandhi's
look at
birthday
themselves,
and it is
and the
anti-corruption
Bharatiya
day
Janata
too.
Party ruled
And I would
states
have
themselves
preferred
have
Mr.
taken
Rahul Gandhi
advantage of them.
coming up with a statement on
Can I-
corruption.
Can I say one thing? Can I please come in for a minute between both of you? Please, please. I am asking a simple question. So I don't know what's going on. I asked a question, why has Rahul Gandhi never spoken on scams? In the course of my question, I made an alphabetical response to Narega, and Mr. Surjewala has taken off on a 5-minute defense of Narega. I am asking you, Mr. Surjewala, please, now answer my question. Tell me, when did Rahul Gandhi speak about scams? Give me one comment right now, right here, which you remember of Rahul Gandhi on some of the scams which have happened in UPA too. Let's hear it.
Arnab,
Yes.
consistently,
No,
persistently,
not once,
conscientiously,
never.
the
in the-
Congress party, as also its leadership, including Mr. Rahul Gandhi, has been speaking about transparency and accountability.
I am asking you
both.
whether there's been.
It
Meenakshi,
was
you remember that?
Congress president
Meenakshi, you ever remember
and
a
Congress
time?
vice president who
Meenakshi,
I don't
removed
remember.
none less than
In the
Shri
name
Suresh
of
Kalmadi,
transparency,
who is an
RTI is
who is
talked
an
about,
accused in
and
CWG.
that also without
It
giving
is-
credit to
it
the
is
previous government which
UPA
brought
government
a right to
which
information
removed its minister,
in a different format.
including Mr. A. Raja, when wrongdoing was alleged. Wrongdoing is yet to
And
be proved in all those cases.
Has there
But we
been a-
must not forget
has there been a
that the
comment-
Prime Minister of the
Has-
country
has he-
and the
has he-
Congress
has he
President
made a
both
comment on,
acted-
for example-
acted decisively?
Has he,
and
Mr.
acted
Surjewala, has he made a
decisively.
I would be very interested on
Mr.
the files
Mr.
which have
Surjewala,
been
let me
shared
ask you
on
one
those
thing.
scams.
Can I say
would
one
be
thing
very
to you, Mr.
interested
Surjewala?
on
They are
2G
also
scams.
Mr. Surjewala.
prosecution
I would
today.
be very interested in Augusta Westland.
Yeah, does Rahul Gandhi not know about these scams, or is he choosing
Madam,
not to talk about
I
them?
also want to point out very respectfully to you, and you are knowledgeable yourself, the Augusta Westland project, none less than the Defence Minister of the country has said that he is looking into it, and if he finds any wrongdoing, then the project will not be awarded and will be rejected. So we can discuss issue by issue. I have
Why
no
was
difficulty.
CBI sent when
But
they have
we
come
must
back
not
home without
also
anything while
forget
they should have been
that when it came
investigating
to
in Delhi
transparency
and Chandigarh?
accountability, the courage of conviction was with the Prime Minister of
Mr.
the
If you made up your mind-
The RC should be registered.
Well, I see that.
But the criminal
RC
cases
should be
were
No,
not.
Naresh
Yeah.
Gujral and Mehboob
Our
Beg.
defense minister
No,
who
I-
needs to
is undertaking an
investigate.
investigation.
It is the police
I feel this reflects
and
a.
police cannot go to
No,
I
Italy
feel
and
Mehboob
come
Beg,
back without
Mehboob
anything.
Beg, let me come back to you 1 minute from both of you. I am asking such simple questions.
While investigation
Sir,
rests
no,
in
Meenakshi
Chandigarh.
Lekhi, let's not get into legalese. I'm asking such simple questions about whether the leadership of the Congress party needs to look at the issues it has raised. I ask one question, why does Rahul Gandhi not talk about prices and inflation? Secondly, why does Rahul Gandhi not talk about scams? Now you tell me, Mr. Mehboob Beg, do you think it is possible in today's world not to talk about the subjects that the whole country is talking about and to talk a different script? You know, you're reading from a script, I will change the country, etc. I want to empower people. But on the roads, people are saying, why are prices high? Why are your people making money? Why are these scams happening? You don't talk about all of them. Tell me, Mr. Mehboob Beg, despite being an ally, is it possible to continue politics in this fashion, in this academic fashion? Is it possible to do that in today's India?
No, you are right. You are absolutely right. You have raised two important issues, and those need to be addressed. You can't wish them away because people have seen scams and scandals. Unless you make them accountable, whether it is Congress, BJP, or any party, because people are looking up to you. Corruption is an issue which has to be addressed. Unless and until it's addressed on priority, on war footing, people will become desperate. People will become cynical. So whether it is Congress or BJP or National Conference,
will you
or
be
any
honest
other
with the
party,
Congress today,
if
Mr.
you want to save the
Mehboob Beg?
political system,
Mr. Mehboob
we
Beg?
have.
Mr. Beg, can I ask you one thing? On so many issues, on so many occasions, right?
Yeah, please.
I have, you know this, that I have found disagreement with the policies of the Jammu and Kashmir government. I have personally, criticized the approach of Omar Abdullah, and I have been very direct about it. But let me say one thing, that Omar Abdullah has been honest enough to say something in a series of tweets yesterday.
That's very unfair because you have been.
No, I know I have been, you may think I have been unfair, but I also say this thing, that Omar Abdullah has said something very brutally honest
You have
yesterday.
been, yes, Arnab, you have been very unfair with our government.
Yes.
With the.
I know
Sorry?
your view. I respect it. And many politicians feel that way about me. I respect that as well. But I would also
Thank
give
you.
credit where it is due. Because Omar Abdullah says as an ally yesterday, listen to me, he says, voters will see through crude attempts to buy support with last-minute populist schemes.
Please.
I think he's being very honest. What is he talking about? Can you please tell Mr. Surjewala some straight talk tonight from you
Very
as
honest.
well, like your party
Absolutely
leader has
right.
done?
Absolutely right. Arnab, he has been honest and absolutely right. That's what has happened perhaps in Rajasthan. And Congress should look into it, should introspect, and they have already started doing it. Because they have to survive as grand old political party. Therefore, they have started introspecting and they will introspect. Yes, this is what has happened, perhaps one of the, if not the only cause, but this is one of the causes that has happened,
Understand
what
that,
has happened
Mr.
to Congress in,
Mr. Surjewala.
Rajasthan. Yes, it's an important
Mr.
issue.
Surjewala, please listen to me.